This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and data connections. Loose cables cause most no media errors. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and look for the drive name. If it isn't listed, swap cables or connect the drive to a known good PC. Make sure to listen for spin-up or vibration. No sound indicates power or motor failure. While swapping, document model and serial so you can reference vendor diagnostics later. These steps separate simple fixes from hardware faults and set up the focused recovery path. Now run software diagnostics to determine logical versus physical failure. Open disk management or disk part to check partition tables and assign a drive letter. If that reveals the volume, run chkdsk/f to repair file system errors. If the drive remains undetected by Windows, boot a Linux Live USB. Linux often sees drives Windows misses, letting you image data with ddresq. Meanwhile, run the manufacturer's diagnostics to get error codes. These tell you whether a firmware or head issue exists and guide your next step. To finish, prioritize data. If the disk is readable but unstable, clone it immediately with ddresq to a larger healthy drive. This preserves recoverable sectors. If diagnostics indicate PCB or firmware faults and you're comfortable, swapping the PCB with an identical model can restore access, but be careful. Firmware mismatches can worsen the problem. If heads or motor have failed or cloning repeatedly stalls, stop further power cycles and consult a professional data recovery service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.